In this video, you will learn how to create a Cortex agent into Snowflake. We'll start with creating a new Cortex agent from Snowflake Snowsight UI. This is what Snowflake's homepage looks like on a normal day. On the left hand side, you can see a navigation with AI and ML. Once you click on that, once you hover over that, you'll be able to see the Cortex AI offerings, Cortex Studio, agents, analyst search, evaluations, Snowflake intelligence, and then there are some machine learning offerings as well. We'll start, uh, we'll navigate to the agents section, and there you'll be able to create a new agent for yourself. Let's click on agents. This is the agents page. Here you can find a list of all agents that are available to you right now. Snowflake intelligence shows what agents are made available to the Snowflake intelligence window. We'll go back to all agents section. Here on the top right hand corner, you have this button that will allow you to create a new agent. Once you click on this blue color create agent button, you will be able to create start creating an agent. First thing first, we need to select a database and schema where your agent is going to reside. So I'm going with Cortex TV, and the schema would be data. This asks you for agent name. Let's call it tutorial agent. This is the display name, and here it's showing that API URL is based on the agent's name. Changing the name may later may break the link. So this would be the URL from which this agent will be accessible. So Cortex DB is the database, schema name is data, and finally the agent name is tutorial agent. You can alternatively make it capital like this, and now everything is in capital letters. After that, click on create agent button. This pop-up will show you your agent is successfully created. Now you are inside the agent. Here are few things that you can configure based on your needs. Tools are the tools which your agent can access and utilize to provide the result to the user. Then there are some orchestration details that you can explicitly provide to your agent. Based on that, your agent will perform tasks and do reasoning. Orchestration instructions says that how your agent would reason through tasks and choose right tool to perform a certain operation. Also, you can provide sequence actions, so how your agent should reason in a particular sequence, or what kind of tool it should invoke based on your user input. So things as such you can provide in this section under the orchestration instructions. These are the response instructions where you can set a particular tone, how your agent should sound to the end user. Based on that, your agent can sound casual, friendly, or strictly diplomatic. So sort of things you can provide here, and based on that your agent is going to behave. Next thing is budget configuration. This is totally optional, but you can definitely provide time limit in seconds, like 60 minutes or 30 minutes before it times out. Then there is also token limit asked to provide explicitly here. So once usage reach these limits, either time limit or token limit, then it will halt the progression on your prompt. Next thing is access. This is where you can add different roles, and those roles will be able to access your Cortex agent. So I'm adding a new role here, Cortex engineer role, and this will have usage grant on your agent that you are going to create. Coming back to the about section, here you add some description, like this is my demo agent, and things that you describe here will be visible on your inside your agents list. You can add questions like how can you do today. Based on this, you can add questions, and once you add these questions will be visible on the agent chat box here. So if you want to ask similar questions, you can directly ask it and with a click of button. So if I save all this information, changes saved successfully, and here is your example question that we just mentioned into the about section. Uh, how can you do today? So this thing is visible over here. The description that we added, this is my demo agent, is clearly visible here. And next things are the display name and this logo. We can also play with these things and can have a different logo, as well as we can change the display name for the agent. Now next thing could be you want to add this agent to the Snowflake intelligence, and that can also be done. And in the orchestration you will see a model drop down. From this model drop down, you can choose a specific model that your agent should use going forward to process the user prompts. I will select Cloud Opus 4.6 and click on save, and the changes should be effective. Going back to the agents page, this is where your newly created agent is visible. Tutorial agent, the description is also visible over here. Created 5 minutes ago, created by the role that you use to create the agent, and source. In the Snowflake intelligence tab, you can add an existing agent. So here I want to add the tutorial agent that we just create. This you can add this, and now whenever you access the Snowflake intelligence, you will be able to shift to any available any available agent that's there, visible in the Cortex Snowflake intelligence. Just to give you an overview, I can navigate and open Snowflake intelligence in a new browser tab. It's coming up. Yeah, it's up. And now here you can select which agent you would like to send the prompts to, or which agent you would like to interact with. Currently I want to interact with the newly created agent, that is tutorial agent, and I have selected it from the agents tab. Then there are few artifacts. We'll see this into some other video. You can search through chat if you have some chats. Other than that, you can just click on new chat, then change your agent to a different one, or whichever you would like to play with. This plus icon allows you to upload any file to your Cortex agent or Snowflake intelligence. Let's say hi there. Now though I'm trying to interact with the agent, but it says that access denied for trial accounts. This account is a trial account, and it restricts me from asking question to the agents, and agent though I ask questions, agent will not provide any answer. These are the previous chats I have done with the agent. Coming back to the agents window, these three dots, this kebab menu or three dots will help you to remove the agent from the Snowflake intelligence. These setting things allows the agent, or it provides the agent the capability to do web searches. And here is the setting related to Snowflake intelligence that we will see in some other video. Yeah, so that's it for the Cortex agents right now. If I try to query the agent from this page, like what can you do for me, it will throw the same error that access denied for trial accounts. But if you have a valid account which is not a trial account, and you are paying for as you go, then probably you will be able to chat with your agent. In another video we'll see how to set up tools for your agent.